Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint chocolate milk in Find the Milks. First, you need to navigate to the special milks section of the map. Look carefully for a hidden switch or button, often cleverly disguised within the environment. Once you find and activate it, a secret passage will open up, leading you closer to your goal. This initial step is crucial for unlocking the unique milk. After activating the hidden mechanism, proceed through the secret passage that has just appeared. This path might contain some minor challenges or environmental puzzles, so stay alert and observe your surroundings. Successfully navigating this area will bring you to a new, previously inaccessible room. This room holds the key to obtaining the special milk you are looking for. Once you are inside this distinct room, your next task is to locate the mint chocolate milk. It's typically found in a uniquely colored or shaped bottle, often standing out from other items. Take your time to scan the area thoroughly. When you spot it, simply interact with the bottle to add this delicious and rare milk to your collection. Enjoy your sweet reward. Remember to always stay updated with the game, as developers sometimes change locations or add new secrets. Exploring every nook and cranny can also lead you to other exciting discoveries beyond just the mint chocolate milk. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Happy exploring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.